find out even more tools that you can use while working on Chrome. And let's start with taking a screenshot of the web page. With Chrome Developer Tools, you can do it without using any additional plugins. To capture the screenshot, open Chrome Developer Tools, go to the Console panel, and press Ctrl-Shift-M on Windows or Command-Option-M on Mac. Next, click on three dots menu on the top right of the web page and select Capture Screenshot or Capture Full-Size Screenshot. And that's it. Your screenshot will be saved in the Downloads folder. Another thing you can do with Chrome Developer Tools, you can switch your page to the Edit mode. Open the console and type this command. And now Chrome works as a normal text editor. You can change any text you see in the page without knowing the HTML code. Another useful tool that you might love while working with Instagram, for example, because you know you can upload images and videos to Instagram only from its mobile website. This tool will help you to identify your desktop browser as mobile. So, open Chrome DevTools, then click on three vertical dots, then select More Tools, select Network Conditions. And there, uncheck the box that says User Agent Select Automatically. And from the pop-up box, select a mobile browser. Now close the window and refresh the page. And now you can see that this option that allows you to upload content appeared. You can also change your browser's GPS location. By using VPN, you can easily hide and change your IP address, but it doesn't work with your browser's location that some websites use to decide whether to show or hide the content. But with Chrome Developer Tools, this is not a problem anymore. Press again these three vertical dots on the top right and then click the Sensors option. A new window will open in the button. On the geolocations, select the name of the city, like London, for example, and reload the page. Now you can use any websites and stream local stations. Hope this information is useful. Give me a feedback if it is. This is Chrome Developer Tools course. To get more information, click the link in the description and enroll now.